In a shocking incident highlighting religious discrimination in India, a pregnant Muslim woman in labor pain was denied medical treatment at a government hospital in Uttar Pradesh. The woman, identified as Sharma Parveen, was brought to the District Women's Hospital in Jaunpur on the night of September 30, 2025. But the attending doctor allegedly refused to treat her after discovering her religion. According to her husband's statement, the doctor reportedly said, "Don't bring her to the operation theatre, she is Muslim, take her elsewhere." The incident prompted local health authorities to order an inquiry into the conduct of the doctor. However, rather than holding the accused accountable, authorities reportedly booked two journalists who had shared the video online exposing the act of discrimination. Human rights activists have termed the case a grim reflection of deepening communal bias in India's public institution, where even emergency healthcare is no longer free from sectarian prejudice. In Srinagar, prominent civil society members have strongly rejected the Modi regime's repeated claim that peace and normalities have returned to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Participants in a roundtable discussion they held in the city said that the ground reality tells an entirely different story. One marked by military crackdowns, arbitrary detentions, enforced disappearance and suppression of free speech. According to the statement carried by KMS, the participants condemned the ongoing killings, raids and cordon-search operations being carried out by Indian forces, emphasizing that these practices they continue to instill fear among ordinary Kashmiris. They pointed out that the region remains the world's most militarized zone, with hundreds of thousands of Indian troops maintaining a climate of intimidation. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has expressed grave concern over the provocative and irresponsible statements issued by India's political and military leadership against Pakistan. The APHC-AJK leadership, in a statement issued from Islamabad, warned that such belligerent rhetoric not only endangers peace in South Asia but is also threatening global instability. The Indian National Congress has demanded the resignation of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, accusing his government of presiding over an alarming rise in crimes against Dalits, women and Muslims. In a statement issued in New Delhi, the Congress leadership urged that the BJP administration has failed to maintain law and order, allowing mob violence, caste atrocities and religious persecution to flourish unchecked. The party stated that the incidents such as Jaunpur Hospital's discrimination case and the Bareilly bulldozer demolitions illustrate the state's descent into lawlessness.